everybody, it's me. It is Wednesday, so we're starting up the slime thing again. I haven't done it in the past couple of weeks, but before I get sidetracked, let's get into the video. Guys, it's backwards, dang it. This is Wacky Sand, that is a sticker. It is scented. I'm trying to get it to focus. Focus, you literally have nothing else to focus on. Sassy strawberry, if you can't see that. But yeah, it's kind of blurry. You can't even see it. It is scented Wacky Sand. It is sassy strawberry. So, let's start. So you're not really going to be focusing on me. I am going to be talking some, but you're not really going to be focusing on me. So I'm just going to leave you there. You can't see me. Oh, guys, Friends is awesome. Okay, now let's start. Taking it out. Ooh. Guys, over here is like the middle of my desk. You're just not placed. Okay. Oh, that is actually perfect, guys. Look at this. That isn't perfect, but I'm gonna mash it down. Let's see. This is actually kinetic sand, not slime, but whoa. Guys, it's actually kind of fun. Okay, so now I'm just gonna. Guys, you guys are wiggling so much. Thought you were gonna fall. Now I'm just gonna like play with it some. Okay, I have not smelled it. Should I smell it? Whoa, guys, like. Oh yeah, now it's smelling like. Okay, I'm just gonna, like, it's not wanting to, guys, that is staining my hand. It's staining. That is not okay. I'm talking, you can see my chin moving. You just can't see my face. It's staining my hands. I'm gonna rate this slime at the end of the video. Okay. Now, it's just falling apart into a bunch of different crumbs. This is terrible, guys. I'm trying to get it to like a good point that I can actually like play with it, but that's just not possible, guys. It keeps crumpling up into a bunch of different. Have you seen those commercials? Kinetic sand. This was supposed to be the kinetic sand because I got it out of that box. There's something hard in it. Ew! Oh, ew. Guys, that is disgusting. Wait, my brother just added slime to it, and I thought it was actually something. But yeah, it's just some putty mixed with the kinetic sand. It is still gross, though. My hands are stained. Guys, this is not okay. I'm going to show you how bad this is. I'm just going to try to get it to its best point before I show you. Because, like, there's not even a good point to this. Because I'm just trying to, like. Okay, I'm going to take piece by piece and try to mash it together. Try to make it into a better sand. Like, you know how you need slime to make it into slime? I'm going to try to do that with this kinetic sand. Okay. Guys, I'm just trying to get it to a good point, which that isn't possible. Do you see how cleaner that is now? Guys, this is bad. Like, my last slime that I did was my favorite slime, and it was perfect. Now you see this. I'm just trying to get it into a shape without it crumbling and falling. Okay, now I almost stopped this video. Okay, ready? Hi! Ready? Can you even see that? I don't know if you can see. Kind of, it's like really bad. Guys, those clothes in that hamper I'm getting rid of. If you need clothes, you're falling. If you guys need clothes, just text me, not text me, but in the comment section down below, just tell me what size you wear, and I see if I have any clothes in that size, and tell me your gender and everything, like your information, just not like your phone number and stuff that other people can look at the comment and then see where you live or your phone number. Just tell me your information, like your size, your gender, and blah blah blah, and what clothes you're into, like, yeah. And then I'll see if I can donate some clothes to you. You're falling. You fell. Okay, we're just gonna keep messing around with the slime and see if we can get any better. Okay, I'll smush it. Oh, it's actually working. Okay. So I have an idea. I'm going to take the container. It's crumbling up in the container if I'm trying to smush it all together. It is, like, that is terrible. So I'm going to put it all in the container. I thought this was actually going to be kind of good, but now you see it, it's not good. Red is my brother's favorite color, and he's the one that bought this with his money. And that was a waste of $4. Guys, that was $4, by the way. We got it at our school store. Our school has a little store on Fridays in the morning as we go to school class. There is a little store, and we just stop by the store, grab whatever we want, and it is, you shimming down, you pay the money for whatever the item is. They have erasers, pencil sharpeners, kinetic sand, slime, squishies, but we're not allowed to have any of it out if it isn't like class related in class. So that is staining my hands. Do you see how pink they are? Like, that's my regular. Okay, now that is a big difference. I'm just going to swipe all the rest into the floor, then I'll vacuum later. So, yeah. Now I'm going to, like, smush it down. What do I have that's round and will fit in here? Could use a quarter. My wallet isn't in here. My wallet. I left it in my dad's truck and he went up to boom. Dang it! I'm trying to think. Guys, now I'm going to actually place you where you can see me. Okay. I have this, like, bolt thing. I don't even know what it is, because I'm not that into tools, but I really like having them. Whoa, what was that noise? If you heard that too, comment down below. Scrunchy. I just thought of a random word. My hair is like a hot mess, y'all. This is what I live with. Guys, comment down below in the comment section down below. What is your birthday? Mine is... I live with this. Mine is May 27th. It is coming up in exactly 1 week. My birthday, yes, it is on a Wednesday. This year, it has always been on a Sunday. That's always been my birthday. But no, this year it is on a Wednesday. Guys, it is starting to flatten out. Guys, this is just terrible. I'm not even wanting to get it back out because then I'd have to go through that whole process of getting it back in here. There it is, y'all. Like, I'm not even playing. I'm not even playing. It's terrible. So I still have the slime that was stuck in it. Trying to make it into actual goodness. Even that is crumbling up. This is just ruined. Like, I hate it. Comment down below if you have kinetic sand and say if yours is better or not. Guys, I'm asking you to comment down below a bunch of different things. Okay, so I rate that slime. Guys, this is a complete and total disaster. Okay. I rate this slime 1 to 10. -1,000. I'm just that good. -1,000. Because did you see that slime? It didn't even stick together. I'm so weird. So, yes, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe and turn that notification bell. It's down somewhere around me. Turn that notification bell from red to gray and make sure you hit all so you get all the notifications if I post a new video. Okay, peace. Bye.